a share value equivalent to $4.5790 a coin. The present reach, $4.4830, $4.6426. The earlier day close, $4.5290. The change was plus 0.0500. Plus 1.10%. Backwards rate. United States dollars to Axes. A share value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. A share cost expectation for September 2023. Before all else cost at $4.67. Greatest cost $5.30. Least cost $3.98. The normal for the month $4.66. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $4.68. Change for September 0.2%. Access to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. To start with cost at $4.68. Greatest cost $5.18. Least cost $3.82. The normal for the month $4.63. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $4.84. Change for October 3.4%. A share cost expectation for November 2023. Before all else cost at $4.84. Most extreme cost $4.84. Least cost $3.79. The normal for the month $4.39. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $4.07. Change for November 15.9%. Access to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. In the first place cost at $4.07. Greatest cost $4.39. Least cost $3.81. The normal for the month $4.09. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $4.10. Change for December 0.7%. A share cost expectation for January 2024. In the first place cost at $4.10. Greatest cost $4.10. Least cost $3.31. The normal for the month $3.77. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.56. Change for January 13.2%. Access to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. At the outset cost at $3.56. Most extreme cost $3.56. Least cost $2.87. The normal for the month $3.27. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $3.09. Change for February 13.2%. A share cost expectation for WOC 2024. To start with cost at $3.09. Greatest cost $3.11. Least cost $2.71. The normal for the month $2.96. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $2.91. Change for spring 5.8%. Access to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. To start with cost at $2.91. Greatest cost $2.91. Least cost $2.37. The normal for the month $2.69. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.55. Change for April 12.4%. A share cost expectation for May 2024. To start with cost at $2.55. Greatest cost $2.55. Least cost $2.07. The normal for the month $2.35. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $2.23. Change for May 12.5%. Access to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. First and foremost cost at $2.23. Greatest cost $2.77. Least cost $2.23. The normal for the month $2.46. A share cost figure toward the month's end $2.59. Change for June 16.1%. A share cost expectation for July 2024. Initially cost at $2.59. Greatest cost $2.59. Least cost $2.07. The normal for the month $2.37. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $2.23. Change for July 13.9%. Access to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. In the first place cost at $2.23. Greatest cost $2.23. Least cost $1.74. The normal for the month $2.02. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $1.87. Change for August 16.1%. A share cost expectation for September 2024. To start with cost at $1.87. Greatest cost $1.87. Least cost $1.46. The normal for the month $1.69. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.57. Change for September 16.0%. A share cost expectation for November 2025. At the outset cost at $3.35. Most extreme cost $3.35. Least cost $2.61. The normal for the month $3.03. A share cost figure toward the month's end $2.81. Change for November 16.1%. Access to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. Before all else cost at $2.81. Most extreme cost $2.81. Least cost $2.39. The normal for the month $2.65. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.57. Change for December 8.5%. A share cost expectation for January 2026. At the outset cost at $2.57. Most extreme cost $3.19. Least cost $2.57. The normal for the month $2.83. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $2.98. Change for January 16.0%. Access to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. First and foremost cost at $2.98. Most extreme cost $3.02. Least cost $2.62. The normal for the month $2.86. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.82. Change for February 5.4%. A share cost expectation for WOC 2026. At the outset cost at $2.82. Most extreme cost $2.82. Least cost $2.20. The normal for the month $2.55. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $2.37. Change for spring 16.0%. Access to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. To start with cost at $2.37. Greatest cost $2.79. Least cost $2.37. The normal for the month $2.54. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $2.61. Change for April 10.1%. A share cost expectation for May 2026. Before all else cost at $2.61. Most extreme cost $2.61. Least cost $2.10. The normal for the month $2.40. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $2.26. Change for May 13.4%. Access to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. In the first place cost at $2.26. Greatest cost $2.30. Least cost $2. The normal for the month $2.18. A share cost figure toward the month's end $2.